In Swahili, mchicha, spinach, or African greens. In Swahili, mchicha. Cowpeas. In Swahili, kunde. Cowpeas. In Swahili, kunde. Peanuts or groundnuts. In Swahili, karanga. Peanuts or groundnuts. In Swahili, karanga. Soup. In Swahili, soup. Soup. In Swahili, soup. Corn and beans mixing together. In Swahili, kande. Corns mixing together with beans. In Swahili, this kind of food we call kande. Kande. Now we have a sample of sentences and phrases about food. I like ugali. Ninapenda ugali. I don't like beans. Sipendi maharage. I want rice. Ninataka wali. I am hungry. Nina njaa. I am thirsty. Nina kiu. Ninapenda maandazi. I like maandazi. Ninakula mihogo. I eat cassava. Supu ni tamu. Soup is tasty. Unapenda mchicha? Do you like spinach? I eat, ninakula. I drink, ninakunywa. The food is good. Chakula ni kizuri. Very delicious. Kitamu sana. Do you like ugali? Unapenda ugali? What do you want to eat? Unataka kula nini? What are you eating? Unakula nini? Are you hungry? Una njaa? Are you thirsty? Una kiu? So now we have mini conversation. Let's practice.